In today's video, I am going to tell you how to create an agency in Meto Live application. You will get A to Z information in this video, so without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, we will tell you how to create an agency. Before that, you have to go to the description of the video. There you will see two links. First link, Agency Create. Second link, Meto Live Dashboard. Click on the first link. A page will open in front of you. You will see two boxes there. In the first box, it will be written, Enter Meto ID. In the second box, it will be written, Enter Verification Code. Now the question comes that where will you get the Meto ID? To get the Meto ID, you have to go to the application. First, go to the Profile section. Now show the Meto ID below the name. Copy it and paste it in the first box. Now click on the Get button. After that, go to the FIR Meto team in the FIR application. You will get the verification code there. Copy it and paste it in the second box. You will see the Submit button below the FIR. Click on it. Now your agency is successfully created. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.